I'm Josh with Skid Pro. Today we're going to take a look at our heavy duty trencher. While this doesn't get pushed around like some of our other attachments, it still needs to be heavy. Heavy frame, heavy quick catch plate, the boom, the crummer arm. You can easily tweak and turn that machine when you're running that in the trench. And this unit is a beast by trencher standards. The standard flow is nearly 1,000 pounds. The high flow tips the scale at over 1,100. One of the things we talk about in the office is, what's the Skid Pro difference? What's the advantage of buying a Skid Pro attachment versus the competition? Well, in a trencher specifically, it starts with design, and the most critical design component is the drive system. Any ground engaging tools, augers, this trencher, asphalt tools, need to have a heavy drive system, and we think a planetary drive system. The planetary drive uses a direct drive motor into a planetary gearing that turns down the speed and jumps the torque way up. When it comes to cutting in the ground in tough, packed, rocky conditions, torque is always going to be the limiting factor. With our planetary drive, we increase the productivity, increase the travel speeds, and give you better performance when it matters. This allows a lower gallon per minute requirement with a 15 GPM minimum for effectively running the trencher. While the planetary drive is probably the most critical feature on the trencher, my favorite is the extra large 26 by 6 inch skid chute. Not only does it give you a very large footprint, it's adjustable to preset depths so you can have a consistent trench. One of the challenges as an operator in a skid steer when you're digging a trench is to get it at a precise depth. If you have a 36-inch trencher and you only need to get 24 inches deep, you have to feel your way to try and stay at that 24-inch mark. Not with this trencher. You simply unbolt 2 bolts, adjust it to the 24-inch setting, and then you use the large skid chute for flotation and contact, and you trench exactly the 24 inches that you want, allowing you to increase your travel speed and productivity, saving you time and money. Another critical component to a trencher is the tooth makeup. We run a 50-50 mix of a tungsten carbide hammer tooth and a traditional scoop tooth. When it comes to trencher travel speed, it's 2 factors you have to consider. 1, cutting through the soil, but 2, scooping and removing that soil up to the spoil auger and out of the trench. That's why it's critical to have a 50-50 mix. If we had all hammer teeth, it wouldn't carry as much dirt and would reduce your travel speed. By having a blend of both, we run a hammer tooth for rocky and tough conditions, and then we run a hard-faced scoop tooth to pull dirt out of the trench, making you more efficient. This aggressive tooth configuration is available in widths from 4 to 12 inches. Another critical component on the trencher is the nose roller bearing. The heavy-duty nose roller bearing gives added durability and reduced downtime. With some of our competition, a crummer is optional. It's standard at Skid Pro. Not only that, it's very heavy built. We have a heavy frame bracket with a thick walled pipe that extends to a heavy crummer end. The crummer is spring activated for automatic down pressure, and it also has a large replaceable poly pad that cleans the trench quickly and efficiently. The crummer also has a quick release pin to get it out of the way for easy plunge cutting. Because of the incredible trenching productivity of this unit, we needed to add an extra large spoil auger with baffle system to quickly and efficiently pull the dirt out and pile it next to the trench. Sometimes the job requires you to get close to a building or other obstacle. Luckily, with 2 simple bolts, we can remove the spoil auger and manually side shift the trencher to the opposite side of the attach plate. A convenient hose retainer ring to prevent hose pinch, a durable powder coat finish, and an industry-leading 2-year Skid Pro warranty round out this trencher. If you have any questions about this or any of our other attachments, give us a call at 877-378-4642 or visit us online, www.skidpro.com.